Look!
I see.
Grandma gave it to me.
Ball.
Yep, he knows how to play the game.
He knows what to do with it.
I can't wait.
Maddie, go stand by the tree.
With my dress.
Smile.
Hey, Maddie, should we go see what other stuff that Santa brought? There's more stuff on the table.
Look, a Barbie!
Here, come climb up on the chair.
Oh,
You can see.
I want to grab for my little shoes. I want to play.
Look at that, she's a Christmas Barbie.
A Santa Christmas.
You take some of this. Show me. Oh. Oh, the ball.
And look! Look!
What? Oh yeah, that's for James for later.
I'm going to put different glass lenses on her.
Okay.
Gigi. That's my camera.
Hey, James. Oh, you can put that in the basket.
To play with all the prizes.
I know. You almost need to make this taller so that it's more of a challenge for you. Hey, James, watch this.
Well, they're both a hit.
James,
Hey, Maddie,
watch
here,
this.
look at me. Look at me.
Should I hammer in the nail?
What is that?
I'm gonna make it soft.
No, I want to.
Okay, that's
In the basket.
Here, watch this. Hold on.
It's soft.